Aloha mai kako, this is Aaron Mahi again for a new month of words of our Hawaiian language. Nahu olelo o ka mālama. We welcome you this month for the new month of November. And in Hawaiian we say Velehu. In Velehu, it's a time of makahiki begins. It's a time of the end of the harvest, putting things away and being ready for the celebration of the entrance of Lono. And in this celebration, there's lots of feasting and there's lots of games and sports. It's a time of celebration, of plenty. And so this is a time of ho'omaikai, which is our word today, to give thanks and being grateful. Very similar to what we celebrate today in our Western concepts. The word will be used in this sentence. E ho'omaikai kākou I ke akua pau ole. Let's give thanks to God, everlasting. We welcome you again and glad you could join us for another one of our Nahu olelo o ka mālama. Aaron Mahi here to say aloha and eola ka olelo Hawaii.